Hello, welcome back to HardReset.Info, and today I'll unbox the Motorola Razr 60. So let's begin. This is quite an exciting phone because it's a foldable, and let's begin because there's nothing much said on the box. Let's cut the tapes. And now the first thing that shows up is this accessory box, but let's try it out ourselves and first let's see the phone. So this is the phone, as you can see, and let's take it out. Okay, there it is. It's never been folded before, so as you can see, the crease is almost invisible. Then on the back it looks really good. I do like the color a lot. You can see it has this interesting pattern as well. You can even hear it. And it's soft in touch. Now one thing that I do, which you may find weird, is I smell the Motorola phones and boxes. I know it's weird, but they spray perfumes in boxes to just give you a different experience. And well, I don't really feel it that much, but it does smell nice. So at least that. We'll turn the phone on in a moment, and also I'll fold it for the first time. But before I do, let's see the rest of the box. Under this tray, we'll find only the USB-C cable. Of course, we don't get a charging brick, but I got used to it. There's a USB-C to USB-C. Maybe there is a charging brick in other regions, but I'm in the EU, so definitely not. And now the last thing, which is going to be this accessory box. As I'll open it, we'll see. And okay, I see the case. That is great. I love getting a case and the EU sticker. So let's get the case out, and it is in the color of the phone. It's in this deep blue, almost navy, I would say. It has those tapes which are super useful. When you remove them, it reveals anti-slippery parts which make it stick to the phone more so it doesn't fall off, because you can see it's very hollow and well, it has a high chance of slipping off the phone, so that's why they are there. Now the last things in the box are going to be some documents. Let's get them out before we get to the phone. Okay, there's a SIM card tray opener, the regulatory information, and some README guide, which is also pretty useful. It even shows you all the parts like ambient light sensor, air vent. That's interesting. Okay, now let's turn the phone on. And yeah, let's just press and hold, and there it is. It's turning on. Now I'll give it a moment and I'll get back to you once it's on. I'll also set it up real quick. And there it is. It's set up. Now before I do it, I'll slap a case on it. Additional protection is always great, especially with foldable phones, which are still, you need to be cautious with them. And now let's fold it. So as you can see, the crease is almost invisible. Now when I fold it, you can see there's this cover display, which is super useful for checking simple things like a calculator. Now let's open it. And the crease, I think it didn't get much more visible. Of course, with time it will get more and more visible, but I think it's great. And that will be about it for this video. I hope that it was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments down below. Bye.